So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in your pocket, and we have a big news coming from Google, that is now you can access Gemma 4 model in your mobile device using this special application called as Google AI Edge Gallery. This you can find in your Play Store. So as you can see, I've already installed the application in my system, Google AI Edge Gallery. It's quite small, the reviews are great, and we can access two models from Gemma 4 series, that is Gemma 4 E2B and Gemma 4 E4B in your mobile device. Now it's quite easy to use. If you know, Gemma 4 has been one of the best SLMs that has been released so far. Now here you can see that the application looks something like this, and you can see the notification, try Gemma 4 today. It also provides you with AI chat, agent skills. You can even use Gemma 4 with agent skills in your mobile itself. That's the best part. Here you can see that there are other use cases also that you can explore. The application is quite lightweight and even the models are. As you can see, Gemma 4 E2B and E4B are here. Try them in AI chat, agent skills, or the use cases below. The other use cases also ask image, audio, etc. Now as you can see in the models catalog, you can see all the 9 models that are available. Not just the Gemma models, but even DeepSeek, Quen 1.5, Gemma 3 models are also available. Depending upon your memory size, you can choose out the model, but we are talking about it because you can now use Gemma 4 in your mobile using this Edge AI Gallery. I have already downloaded Gemma 4 E2B, which is about 2.5 GBs. As you can see, I can try it out now. Even E4B is available, which is a little bigger, 3.6 GBs. Now let's start off with AI chat first. Here you can see that I'm getting a memory warning also. You can ignore this for now. Initializing model, sit tight, it may take up to 1 minute. So if you're running the model application for the first time, it will take a while to load the model, else it should load in like a few seconds. Now the model has been loaded in the memory. Chat with on device LLM. This will give you a lot of privacy and your data is not going anywhere. That's the best part. Now if you look, the speed is quite fast. Hi, how can I help you today? The answer was in just blazing seconds. Which model are you? Let me type in that. I am Gemma 4, a large language model developed by Google DeepMind. I am an open weights model. As you can see, we are seamlessly able to chat with Gemma 4 E2B. Other models that are available are shown below. You can download them too in your phone. As you can see, now we'll be moving on to the agent skills section, where we'll be using certain skills with this LLM. So let's get started. Again, a memory warning that you can ignore for now. Introducing agent skills. On the top you can see that the model is getting loaded, so you can wait for a while. There are multiple skills that the team has released: interactive map, sending an email, query Wikipedia, etc. We'll be testing out a few of them before wrapping this video up. So first of all, I'll be testing out the interactive map skill. Show me Googleplex on interactive map. As you can see, the model has started running already on my phone. This is a very simple Android phone, OnePlus. You don't need to have a fancy phone to run this LLM in your local system, and all the chats are private. Do you remember that? Loading skill.json. As you can see, the interactive map has been shown. As you can see, the map is now available. You can move with your 2 fingers. So this skill is working for us. These are the other skills: calculate hash, interactive map, kitchen adventure, mode tracker, etc. So these are all prompts inside. If you click on one of them, you will be able to see all the details of this particular skill. Here's the skill. Now let me try out query Wikipedia. So I'll be testing this skill out so that to show you that how easy it is to enable a skill in Gemma 4 inside Google Edge Gallery. Query Wikipedia for info on India. So hit enter. Again, the speed would be phenomenal. It's blazing fast, so you don't need to waste a lot of time. And as you might be thinking on device it would be slower, it's not that case. It's a very fast, and I think Gemma 4, if you have seen the benchmarks, is already crushing out certain frontier models. So quality wise also, and in terms of memory, the model is the best so far released. So one of the best SLMs that you can use in your phone. As you can see, the LLM is working now. Querying Wikipedia in index.html. This will take a while. Now the summary has been generated. The Wikipedia query summary for India provides information on its capital, largest cities, official language, region, government structure, etc. So in this way you can chat with Gemma 4 as agent skills also, and as normal AI chat too. The other options also: ask image or describe, AI chat, Agent Skill, Prompt Lab, Tiny Garden, etc. etc. that you can try out. Mobile actions also. If you click there, some model you have to install for that, which is not Gemma 4, Mobile Actions 270M. So I'm ignoring it for this video now because our focus is on how to use Gemma 4 in your mobile device. So as you saw, summarizing it all, it's very easy to use Gemma 4 on your phone. You don't need to code out any flashy Python script to use this. Very easy, just install an application and download the model, and rest of the things are taken care by the app itself. Very easy to chat. The model size is decent enough to run your system, and localize is what I prefer for. So I hope you like this video and you try out Gemma 4 in your mobile phones. It's very easy to use. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day.